Janelle and welcome back to another Behind the Brand video. It feels like I haven't filmed one of these in such a long time as I've been really busy doing some behind the scenes for Rosery, and I also picked up a few extra hours at my job this week. So yeah, I haven't really had that much free time, but today I have the day off and I spent this morning cleaning up my sewing space ready for a day of sewing. Today I'm going to be making myself a dress as a part of the Make Thrift Try challenge by Annika Victoria. The theme of the challenge is to make something out of a fabric that has a micro floral print, which is right up my street. And as I've never tried a sewing challenge like this before, I thought I'd give it a go today. So the fabric that I've chosen to make this dress out of is this really cute micro floral fabric that kind of changes color throughout the fabric, which is something a little bit different. And as an added bonus, I picked this one up from work when it was on clearance, and we were having a 50% off clearance day, which means I picked it up for just $4 a meter, which is a bargain. I have a bit of an idea of what I want this dress to be, but I'm going to be making it up as I go. So hopefully it will work out. But yeah, I thought I would film today and the whole making process of me making this dress. And yeah, hopefully have a nice new dress to wear for the weekend. So here's a little look at the dress I'm going to be making. Let me zoom in. It's a pretty simple design. I'm going to have quite a high neckline and then just do a little ruffled detailing on the neck. And I'm really obsessed with these balloon styled sleeves lately. I really like the look of the big sleeve at the moment. I made myself a blouse with these sleeves, but I am thinking I would like to have a dress with a similar sleeve. So I'm going to attempt to do those again with this dress here. And then I'm just going to have a gathered skirt, and I'm going to make the skirt a little bit short, so above the knee. I think it will look really cute with a pair of tights and my high top trainers. For this dress, I'm using one of my go-to patterns that I've drafted myself and perfected over the years. I'm currently working on a video where I'll be sharing the pattern along with a little dressmaking tutorial, and I'm actually really proud of it so far. I'll be uploading it in the next couple of weeks, so be sure to subscribe to my channel if that sounds like something you might be interested in. Also, if you don't already know, I actually sell some of the dresses I make over on my website, roseryapparel.com. So if you like the look of the dress I'm wearing or the dresses often featured in the background of my videos, then be sure to check out the link to my website in the description below. So this is what the ruffle neckline currently looks like. Not like much at the moment. I'm going to stitch it in and then flip it over like this. But I think it's going to look pretty cute. And the bodice is done. Look at these cute little sleeves. Super happy with them. I love this balloon sleeve style. And the ruffled neck looks really cute too. Happy with it. So it's now Friday afternoon. I just finished work for the day and I thought I'd quickly show you some of my most recent fabric finds. I'm really excited about them and I'm about to go pop them in the wash. So before I do that, I thought I'd quickly show you. So here they are. They are mostly just from my work, but I also have a little vintage bed sheet here that I'm also excited to show you, and I'm in love with it. So let me just pop you down and I'll show you what I've found recently. Okay, so one of the first things I picked up is this really cute polka dot crepe fabric. I bought 1.5 meters of this one and hopefully it'll be enough to make a really cute blouse or maybe potentially even a dress. I'm not sure yet. Next, I picked up 2 embroidered cotton fabrics. I kind of think embroidered cotton is becoming a bit of a thing and I'm all for it. I love embroidered cotton. This one here is in the shade Peanut Butter, which I just love. I think that's the cutest thing ever. And I also picked up this white remnant as well. And I have a bit of a plan in mind for what I'm going to use these for, so stay tuned for that. Then I picked up this gingham. I can't go past some gingham. This one was just really cheap at work recently, so I picked up, I think about 2 meters worth. And I don't have plans for it yet, but I think I'm going to make myself a really cool summer dress out of this one. Another cotton find, and that is this amazing burnt orange, just pure cotton fabric. I bought about 3 meters of this one. I want to make myself a dress with a really full gathered skirt, and I just love this color. I'm so drawn to it at the moment. And yeah, I was really happy to find that. My mum actually found me this amazing vintage doona cover with this beautiful mustard rose on it. I've actually had this fabric before, but with red rose, and I've had it in peach rose, but I've never seen the mustard before. And if you know me, you know that I am very partial to anything mustard. So yeah, I'm so happy with that. And there's heaps of fabric there and I can't wait to wash it up, but it's pretty much brand new. And it even has the cutest little floral details on the buttons. It's just, oh, details like that I love so much. And I'm almost considering not cutting this one up and instead keeping it as bed linen. But it's a double bed and we have a queen size, so it might not fit, but I'm actually going to try. And if it does, I'm going to keep it as a bedding because I just love it so much and it seems like a shame to cut it up. So now I'm just going to pop these ones into the wash and then I'm going to get back into doing some sewing. And it's done. I then decided to go for a nice long afternoon walk where I couldn't help but stop and take photos of all the pretty flowers and blossoms along the way. Needless to say, I'm pretty excited that there's less than 2 weeks to go until spring. It's Sunday morning now and I am wearing the new dress that I made. We're just heading out to get some coffee, and before I do that though, I'm going to quickly take some photos of my new dress. And here's a little look at the dress on. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I love the micro floral print and I'm obsessed with the balloon sleeves. I also really love the high neckline and the tight fitting bodice in contrast with the big floaty sleeves. I think it works really well together, which was kind of a happy accident. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and be sure to come and find me on Instagram to see some of the other things I make. Thanks for watching!